So the left is losing their mind because President Trump is upgrading the White House, adding a new state ballroom, fully funded by private donors, and they're calling it destruction and ego. Here's a little history lesson they conveniently forgot. Teddy Roosevelt literally tore out entire sections of the White House in 1902 to make room for the West Wing. William Howard Taft expanded it again and added the Oval Office. Franklin Delano Roosevelt built the East Wing and underground bunkers during World War II. Harry Truman gutted the entire interior of the White House, rebuilt it with steel beams, and then added the Truman balcony. Heck, even Kennedy, Reagan, and Obama made major restorations inside and out. So spare us the fake outrage. Every single president modernized the people's house to fit their era. President Trump's just continuing that tradition, building something grand, functional, and American-made without spending a dime of taxpayer money. History always repeats itself. The only difference is this time, it's Trump doing the building, and that's why they're mad.